Hello everyone, this is a video on how to navigate the Beauty and the Beast Carpool Schedule spreadsheet. I found this system to be much more efficient than navigating multiple text group threads. However, don't feel obligated to use it, but it is here if you need. So for those interested, let me explain how this works. Firstly, I categorized carpools into 5 different groups this round. Those groups are according to residential regions. I figured it'd be a little easier for people to form groups based on where they live and how close they are to one another. So for example, Jeanette and Jocelyn and Nellie are all within close proximity. We're only within a few blocks of each other, so we tend to carpool quite a bit. And that is why I put us in group 1. I've just put ideas of people in each group, but of course, feel free to edit as needed. Now, group 5 is open to anyone who would also like to be part of this system. So that is why I have that 5th category. I'm going to go back to group 1 just to show an example of how to edit. So up here, I have names of drivers with how many children they can seat in addition to themselves. So Jocelyn can take 4 and she has her son Isaac plugged in. So I'm going to highlight Jocelyn and Isaac, copy, and I'm going to paste her right where it says driver out. Paste. Now that shows that I am driving out on Thursday, October 13th. And the departure time from LeGrand is about 5:15 because rehearsal starts at 6. Now, as we all know, rehearsal times tend to change, so feel free to modify these categories as well. I have also added a second rehearsal call time for those who have a second or separate call time, as tends to be the case. So again, that can be another group of carpool people. I also have 2 groups of rehearsal end times where we have a driver back. And I put examples of 2 different times that kids might need to be picked up. So back to copying and pasting our names. Now, everyone is responsible for adding their own children to the carpool for that day. So I've added Isaac, so it would be up to Jeanette to add her kids and Nellie to add her kids. So let's say Jeanette has Theo and Natalie called that day. She would copy and paste them under me. And Nellie, let's say Allie's called, so she would copy Allie and paste her as well. Now, because I can only take 4 kids, my carpool is full for that time slot on that day. Now, let's say Allie wasn't going to be available that day, or she wasn't called. Nellie could copy the X and paste it in her place instead. And that way I know I don't have to pick up Allie. That's just useful so that you know what kids you'll need to be taking out and not have to make a bunch of phone calls or texts about what kids can come and what kids can't, because you will see right here on the spreadsheet. Let's see, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, so if different groups could add the number of kids they can take next to their name, that would be great. I've X'd out any days that we don't have rehearsal, and also, you know, we didn't start until now, so that's why those first 3 are X'd out. I've also broken everything down into weeks, so you'll see week 1, week 2, and so on and so forth. I am happy to continue to update my group, and of course, anyone in my group can change call times, and same with each group. So maybe have somebody who's in charge of posting call times, or everyone can take turns. What I've found is really helpful is everyone having their drivers plugged in for that week by Sunday nights. So for the last 2 shows, we had everybody fill out for the week who would be driving when by Sunday night. That way we could look at Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday and know, okay, these people are driving at this time with these kids. Now, of course, schedules change and calls change. So again, go ahead and modify those call times as needed. For anyone who wants to be added into a group, simply click on the name. Let's say Mary is joining our group. She moved to the neighborhood. So Mary is now going to be a driver, and she's going to have 2 kids, Anna and Joe. Done. And now she can just copy and paste wherever she needs to fit herself into the group. I hope this helps. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Again, don't feel obligated to use this system, but I found it really is a nice way to set up carpooling. All right, thanks so much.